Bilawal advises Nawaz against aspiring to two-thirds majority. Pakistan People's Party chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari came down hard on three-time Prime Minister Mian Nawaz Sharif on Saturday, alleging that he was seeking a two-thirds majority from the establishment. While addressing a PP workers' convention in Timergara city of Lower Dir, Bilawal affirmed that Mian Sahib was requesting a two-thirds majority from the establishment, but the latter had expressed their inability in this regard. He stated, "The Prime Minister of Raiwind desires his selection for the fourth time." Challenging Nawaz Sharif, Bilawal urged the former premier to come to power through elections, not selection. He observed that the PML-N supremo had initiated a confrontation with the same elements who had arranged a two-thirds majority for him, and predicted that Sharif might confront them once more. He also questioned, what difference will it make if a person who has failed thrice before becomes Prime Minister for the fourth time? The PPE leader, advocating a paradigm shift in Pakistani politics, pointed out that if Nawaz Sharif were to become Prime Minister for a fourth time, he would likely engage in the same old traditional politics. The former foreign minister accused Sharif of making false promises to the general populace, emphasizing that during his tenures, revenge politics was on the rise. Bilawal asserted that his party's struggle was not against the PML-N, but against rising inflation, poverty and unemployment. He maintained that the PP had always advocated for elections and opposed selection. "I challenge Mian Sahib to come through elections, not selection," reiterated Bilawal. He averred that the PPT, upon coming into power, would fulfill the party founder Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's slogan of food, shelter and clothing.